aim at bringing together sons and daughters of NTAMULUNG neighborhoods in Bamenda around football, the 3rd edition of the NTAMULUNG Unity Cup, since the launching on Saturday, July 13, has been engaging at the Church Center School Field in Bamenda.
We started on Saturday the 13th. It was amazing. Everything is moving on smoothly as planned. The winner is going home with a sum of 300,000 francs, and then the second position is going home with a sum of 200,000 francs. The prizes of the best players, highest goal scorers, best goalkeeper, it is still enclosed. The cup donor said he's going to decide how he's going to do that.
This year's edition of the competition brought together 12 teams dotted around the NTAMULUNG neighborhoods, considered to be one of the biggest quarters in Bamenda.
NTAMULUNG is divided into 3. You have NTAMULUNG 1, NTAMULUNG 2, NTAMULUNG 3. So we have tried to pull our population from NTAMULUNG 1, 2, and 3 to make sure that we have a good competition. We want a professional football. We are trying to match up with the professional league. We are bringing up young stars to match the level of the Samuel Eto'os, the Jeremy Jitab, the Mbappes, and the others.
During day 3 action of the tournament on Thursday, July 18, 2024, NTAMULUNG Football Club of Empowered Melody Football Academy by 2 goals to 1.
Fine play, fine play. Wow.
In the second encounter, Church Center United FC defeated Bilton Football Club by 1 goal to 0. Apart from football, the competition has also attracted different kind of businesses around the stadium.